Calvin IV is the first puppy raised by Teresa Jacobs and William Jacobs of Sandy Springs, Georgia. Calvin is a funny, fast, silly, sweet, and gorgeous CCI pup. With an attentive gaze and watchful eye, he's always ready to work and play, but mostly please. Calvin has been a ray of light in our lives and is sure to bring someone a smile to yours. We've enjoyed every moment with this lovable guy. Chester IV is the third puppy raised by Tammy and Dave Rosso of Jacksonville, Florida. Chester the Pester. He was the first born, first to walk, and the only one to get out of his kennel twice. He will sit for the longest time with his paw in our hands, changing paws when one gets tired. We will miss his swan dives into the pool. He can fly at least 10 feet. We will miss you very much, Cheddar Cheese. Goodbye, good boy. Do well.